This is not the size. Well, I think it is. Hold on, guys. We're at Wrenchettes. We're now under the work of this beautiful Montero Sport, my favorite truck of all time, but alive as well. Now today we're going to take a look at these codes that I'm getting on my Montero Sport. Now this has been an on and off situation. As you can see here, you have no codes, no check engine light, but when you scan it, it has trouble codes. And then I got another one, but meant the same thing, that bank 2, sensor 2 was malfunctioning and wasn't correct. So today I went to AutoZone. I went to 2 AutoZone and I bought the supposed sensor, and I'm gonna change that today to see if it fixes the little rough idle sometimes. See what I find. So this is the catalytic converter right here. This is bank 2. This is bank 1. So where's the freaking sensors? It looks so simple in the pictures online. Oh, there they are. Now I see them. This is Jesus. Forgot to put my glasses on. This is bank. Okay, this is bank 1. This is bank 2. Over there is bank 1, because that one goes to the right side of the engine. This one goes to the left side of the engine, so that's bank 1. So this is the one supposedly malfunctioning. This is post catalytic converter. I got the tools that I need, but these are my working conditions. Got crap here right next to the door. There's crap over there on the floor. There's crap over here, crap everywhere. This is the kind of shit that you have to deal with all the time. But the most important thing I have is this. This is a sensor socket remover tool. Now, if you guys need one of these, I'll link it in the description so you guys can pick it up yourself from the Amazon store. I'll go all up. I'll get all these screws down there just to see if I can take it out. Oh, shit. Ow. Ow. This is a sensor. I'm gonna try to slide it in. See if this is the size. This is not the size. Well, I think it is. Yep, this is how it locks. So you just get an extension and see if it turns. I got it loose. As you guys can see right here, it is spinning. So that's great success. Okay, the job is done. The sensor is in. Where is it? That's the sensor right there. There's a new one. This is the bank 2, sensor 2, post catalytic converter. Now the connection is right here. For the pre, for the post is this one. For the pre is this one right there. Now, in order to take those out, you need to take it out of the clip that's holding it, which I didn't know. You take it out of the clip that's holding it, and then you see the clip on top right here in the middle, right there. And it's the same thing for both. So just like when you unclip that, you're gonna have these tied down right here. They have one here. And then behind here, see they have another tie down right there on top. So once you take those tie downs and the clip off, this sensor will come off easily. So that is it. This is the sensor bank 2, sensor 2 for Mitsubishi Montero Sport. That's all it is to it. This is like, it took me, a noob, like I say, 20 minutes to do it. So if you are better at mechanics than me, most likely, you guys will do it even less time. Just be prepared to have some rust or some resistance on the clips. Other than that, just wear eyeglasses because things will fall on your eye. But now I'm gonna run it and erase those codes, see if it comes back. Then it's ready for inspection. Oh yeah, baby. I have done the job. Quite messy, but my situation is not that great. But anyway, this is the aftermath. Stuff fall over me. The sensor fell on top of me, so I have to get home and change. I have to do some little last minute groceries. But anyway, to get this little thing out. Goodness gracious, go for the third time. These are the tools that I used to get this job done. Okay, the actual oxygen sensor is actually a 1/2 inch, but because I don't have a 1/2 inch extension, you can see this is in a 1/2 inch adapter to 3/8. So I use a 3/8 extension with a 3/8 breaker bar. Okay, now that I got out the way, I use the scissors if you need to just like jam it in there for the clip, and then you push. And this is for just in case you can't get like enough clearance to get this socket on. Like for example, the new one is a little bit like thicker in right here or somewhere. I think it's here or something. It's a little bit thicker, and the actual catalytic converter has a little like weld that doesn't let this go all the way through. Or maybe I just didn't pray enough with it. Because I just want to get out of here because I have poop next to me. So yeah, and so I use this to go on the side and grab it and just tighten it by hand. I didn't torque it down. This is actual sensor right here. As you can see, it's very dirty, but according to the code, it said that it malfunctioned, and when it malfunctioned, then you have to just change it and not just clean it out. The actual design of this one is totally different than the one that I use, but since they're different companies and they have the same connector, I was like, oh well, I'm gonna use this one. So that is it for this video. If you like this type of content, please give me a like on this video, and if you need to consider subscribing so we could grow this channel and do more awesome stuff. God bless. Until next time, guys. Peace.